Hey guys, today we gonna be playing crap. We gonna be playing some more air combat with Hellcat because he's back now. Yeah. So let's do this. Get in the dang game. It's been doing this to me for the past few days. This might be. Oh yes. Oh nice. Okay, 1 diamond. That's cool. Oh, he's already here. Look, he's already here. Good to see you back. To start. My phone's a little. Good to see you, bro. And as you might have noticed in my few videos, I decided to make a change. I was actually seeing if he would surprise him at all that there is a new guy, if he thought he was a new guy. I changed my name to Darkstar01. After, like, have you ever heard of the Aurora aircraft, which is the SR-91, which is apparently a experimental aircraft. It's very well known. It's powered by pulse jet engines. It's known for its triangular shape, and like it's the whole plane is shaped like a isosceles triangle. And yeah, apparently someone listened in one day and heard a military call sign that he never heard, and it was Dark Star. So I just named it after that because I fly the the Aurora's supposed predecessor, the SR-71. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna start moving because my phone might die. So yeah, might as well keep it hooked up to power. So yeah, and what's also really cool is that look how many diamonds I have. Like damn. I might just alter our setup a bit. I gotta check out this. He's gonna kick me out anyways. Yep. Oh. This might be a long shot because I have over 4 times his rank, but let's do this. Let's see if he finds us. Alright, I'll try. This might be a problem because part of my screen is stained. Like, yeah, I don't know what it is. I think it's because I just ate a sandwich with a lot of margarine on it, so yeah, that might be it. I'm thinking that might be it, but yeah. Okay, let's get up and move a little bit. Keep you up, baby. Oh, shoot! Wait a minute. Nope. He has the same icon, which is kind of deceiving. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Hit the button, there we go. Oh, dang. That's a lot of heat. But, come on, start it, boy. Alright, let's get into a more comfortable position. I'm sitting up now. Okay, she's already in there, so let's do this. Oh, crap. Shoot. Recalibrate. There we go. Oh, dang. Shoot. Crap. Shoot, I'm recalibrating all over the place. There we go. There we go. We're already down to half health. That is just awesome. Look how close he is. Dang it, missed. Just guns. Shoot, I'm all over the place. Dang, it's because my hands are sticky. I feel uncomfortable, but don't get any ideas from that statement. Oh, I thought I destroyed them. How am I still alive? Shoot, he's turning hard. Oh, yes, we got lead. Yes. It was good. Just let him do it. Alright, this is his best playing. Alright. Let's see if we can kill her finally, bro. Come on. Oh, you missed with the Kens. Our planes are relatively equally matched right now. It just all comes to skill, I guess. Oh, yeah, that's some good hits. Come on, get over here. Why won't you die? Shoot, he's agile. Okay, that was kind of a mistake. Now we're down to mere seconds. There we go. That armor is so strong. Dang. Oh yeah. Let's see how long that took. 8 minutes, damn. Oh yeah, it only exchanges one. What was there? I flipping hate that so much. Wait. Wait till you see. Okay, start her up. Get up in it, well, start her up. Typos. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Let's wait. The waiting game. Here we go. Okay, let's switch to these because I got a bunch of these laying around. It was a little bit slow, but let's see. Alright, bro. I can't believe he fell for that. I can't believe he thinks he actually did legit kill her. Because I was just sitting there. Just floating there. Or running the hills. Come on. There we go. Fox 3. Dodge. Oh, man. Alright. Pull around. Let's make several high-speed attacks. Maintain our distance. Shoot, what am I doing? What am I doing? Get a couple hits off, but... Alright, I guess he's going into the mountains. Hopefully those miss. Yeah, they're gonna go into the hills. Oh, wait, no, they're not. Yep. Chase you down, bro. Yeah. Why don't they go? Just a few stray rounds hitting the... Just gonna mess them up. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm always scared when I do this maneuver because I feel like... Come on. It's because of that stain on the screen. It's on the left side of the screen right now. Or the bottom of the phone. It's not letting me... Yeah, see? You see? I accelerate and then suddenly I'm out. I can't pull lead anymore. Because he's got his afterburners and I don't. There we go. Come on, boy. Shoot! No! No! Okay, look. Okay. Wow, that was a very heavy damage. This guy's yeah, he's doing really good with the Blitzwing. He can do really good work. Okay, that time he killed me. Alright, baby. Let's do this. Stop it! I'm having technical problems right now. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, yeah. Delayed reaction, but yeah, sticky fingers really can get you killed. Is that good for you? $4.20. I don't smoke, but yeah, don't smoke that stuff, kids. Alright, so it's $4.20 to 167. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's over the... Oh yeah, that's so... I got over 2.5. Say bye, mate. Oh. Okay. I guess that's a good way to end it off. Hey, no. Bye.